Within Indonesia is one of the world's weirdest volcanoes. This volcano regularly erupts bright blue lava that flows downhill, creating a series of flames, marking it as a truly unique active volcano. These photos being shown on screen are not color enhanced or photoshopped, as the lava truly is that color. The volcano which produces this strange phenomena is called Kawah Ijen.
Yes, you have read it correctly. Blue lava erupts in Indonesian volcano. There is a volcano in Indonesia, and that volcano actually erupts a lava which is rich in sulfur. And the sulfur, when it's heated, burns at a lower temperature than the most of the other material. And the flame color of it when it burns is blue. You don't believe it? Look at it. This is a volcano and the lava is flowing, and this person is walking inside a crevice beside that lava flow. There is plenty of the evidence that this lava is actually real. It's not an artifact, somebody has not created it. This is real. You can see it even in this lake now in the night. You can see it's erupting. Beside the fumaroles that you can see, this lava is erupting there from there. And the flames of it is visible also. They're also blue. It's very rich in sulfur. Sulfur is something that erupts in the Jupiter satellite called Io. And we expect to see such a thing there. If we ever visit there, we may see that. It's in the Indonesian island of Java, near the Bali actually. It's called Ijen volcano. This volcano is quite several erupting center it has. Some of it is filled with water, is a lake, and others are dry. And this deep color of it shows this is full of minerals. It can be really sulfuric, you know. Can be even sulfuric acid. The flame test shows that this sulfur actually burns with a blue color. We burn it, we know that it burns blue. It says they extracted there. Ancient times they extracted this. The red one was the most valuable, the yellow one also.
Yeah.
Consequently, please be careful and hoist the cruise pylons. The preliminary jet set. We have 4 aircraft.
These flying machines already exist, and people are using them to get around in a way that has never been possible before. In this video, you'll discover the 8 most impressive transportation vehicles that exist today. From jet-powered suits that turn you into a real-life Iron Man to flying machines you can store in your garage. Get ready, because what you're about to see will definitely leave you speechless. Number 8. Gravity Industries Jet Suit. Imagine waking up one morning, putting on a special suit and flying out of your house as if you were Iron Man. This is no longer science fiction thanks to the incredible jet suit from Gravity Industries. Number 7. Flyboard Air. Have you ever dreamed of flying over the ocean without needing an airplane? A French inventor turned that impossible dream into reality with the revolutionary Flyboard Air from Zapata Racing. This revolutionary device allows anyone to fly over water or land using the propulsion force of high-powered turbines. Created by Frankie Zapata, this flying skateboard uses turbojet technology that generates thrust of up to 140 kilograms, allowing flights up to 150 meters high and speeds exceeding 200 kilometers per hour. The autonomy reaches 10 minutes of continuous flight, enough for impressive journeys. Number 6. Copter Pack. What if you could carry your own personal helicopter like a backpack? The Australian geniuses behind the Copter Pack have done exactly that, and the result is absolutely amazing. This Australian innovation is completely changing the perspective on personal air transportation with a design as elegant as it is functional. Developed by Copter Pack Pti, this device uses two coaxial rotors mounted on a lightweight structure that is worn like a backpack. Weighing only 42 kilograms, it can transport up to 120 kilograms of payload, including the pilot, reaching heights of up to 1,000 meters and speeds of 70 kilometers per hour. The genius of the Copter Pack lies in its operational simplicity. It doesn't require a pilot's license in many countries as it's classified as ultralight, and its intuitive control system allows virtually anyone to learn to operate it in just a few hours. Number 5. Jetson 1. Tesla revolutionized electric cars, but what if I told you there's a Tesla of flying cars? Get ready to meet the incredible Jetson ONE that is democratizing personal flight. This Swedish company has developed what they consider the Tesla of personal flying vehicles. This single-seat vehicle weighs just 86 kilograms and uses 8 electric motors strategically distributed to guarantee maximum safety and stability. With a flight autonomy of 20 minutes and speeds of up to 102 kilometers per hour, it represents the democratization of personal air transportation. What's revolutionary about the Jetson 1 is its plug-and-fly philosophy. You don't need a pilot's license, as its artificial intelligence automatically handles stabilization, navigation, and many safety functions. The pilot simply indicates the desired direction using an intuitive joystick, while the system takes care of the rest. Number 4. Hoversurf Hoverbike S3. Star Wars fans always dreamed of Luke Skywalker's flying motorcycles, but Russian engineers went beyond the dream and created something even better, the impressive Hoversurf Hoverbike S3. This flying motorcycle combines the excitement of traditional motorcycles with the three-dimensional freedom of flight. This hoverbike uses 4 carbon rotors that generate enough lift to elevate up to 120 kilograms to heights of 16 meters, maintaining cruising speeds of 60 kilometers per hour. Its hybrid design allows both free flight and ground-level movement. The S3 incorporates advanced safety systems, including automatic emergency parachute and multiple sensors that prevent collisions. Its carbon fiber structure keeps it ultralight without sacrificing strength, while its electric propulsion system guarantees silent and eco-friendly operation. What's most interesting is its operational versatility. It can function as a police patrol vehicle, rapid response air ambulance, or simply as the ultimate toy for adrenaline enthusiasts. Number 3. Airspeeder Mark III. Forget about terrestrial Formula One because the future of racing is literally flying over our heads. The Airspeeder Mark III is creating the most exciting sport you've ever imagined. This aircraft represents the birth of air racing as the next great global sporting spectacle. Developed by Alauda Aeronautics in Australia, the Mk3 is specifically designed for high-speed air racing competitions. With the capacity to reach 300 kilometers per hour and perform maneuvers impossible for traditional aircraft, it's creating a completely revolutionary new sports category. Its eVTOL technology allows vertical takeoffs and landings while maintaining the agility of a military fighter jet. The distributed propulsion system with 8 rotors guarantees total safety redundancy, while its artificial intelligence automatically prevents collisions during races. What's truly impressive is that the first official airspeeder competitions are already being organized, with 3-dimensional aerial circuits that defy. Number 2. Pivotal Helix. Can you imagine having your own personal aircraft as easy to use as your car? The Pivotal Helix is making that fantasy a reality and transforming recreational aviation forever. This American ultralight aircraft represents the definitive evolution of accessible personal flight. Weighing only 115 kilograms, the Helix can be legally piloted without a license in the United States under ultralight regulations. Number 1. XTI Aircraft Trifan 600. Get ready to meet the machine that will forever eliminate traffic jams and completely revolutionize how we travel. The spectacular XTI Aircraft Trifan 600. This American hybrid aircraft represents the perfect convergence of helicopter, airplane, and private jet in one revolutionary machine. The Trifan 600 uses a unique propulsion system with 3 ducted fans. 2 on the wings that rotate 90 degrees for transition between vertical and horizontal flight, plus 1 on the tail for directional control. This configuration allows vertical takeoffs like a helicopter and cruise flight like a commercial jet, reaching speeds of 610 kilometers per hour and altitudes of 9,100 meters.
This has been a Pinguinati production. If you'd like to support the channel, links are in the description.